If you have a rooted device and you haven't installed Xposed framework on your phone yet, then you're missing a chance to install lots of tweaks on your phone. Xposed framework adds supports for tons of modules, which allows you to add new features and options in your Android device. Xposed is one of the best things happen to the Android OS. Although Xposed framework is officially available for Android Lollipop and Marshmallow, but it is not available for Nougat yet. However, we have found a way to install Xposed framework on Android Nougat, and that's exactly what I'll be showing you guys in this video. Excited? So let's get started. Now before we get started, make sure that you are running an AOSP based ROM or a custom ROM, because Xposed framework does not work with custom skinned ROMs like MIUI or Samsung's TouchWiz. For this tutorial, I am using Redmi Note 4X, which is running the latest Lineage OS based on Android Nougat 7.1.2. Now the prerequisites are: first, your device should be rooted. Second, you should have pre-installed Twrp recovery. Third, your device must be running Android Nougat 7.1 or above. Now let's kick things up by downloading the required files, and for that first we need to know about the CPU architecture of our devices. So head over to Play Store and install an app called Droid Hardware Info and open it. Now go to System tab, and from here you can confirm your device architecture. In my case it's ARM64, but yours could be different, like if you are using an older generation SoC then your architecture could be ARM, or if you have an Intel based CPU then the architecture will be x86. So once you have confirmed the CPU architecture, head over to the description box and download the Xposed framework zip file according to your CPU architecture and the Xposed Installer APK file and put them in the internal memory of your device. Once that is done, first install the Xposed Installer app and make sure your unknown sources is enabled. This app will be later used to manage the Xposed modules. Now switch off your device. After that, you have to boot into Twrp recovery by using a specific combination of volume and power keys, and this combination varies according to device manufacturer. So if you don't know your key combination, then just Google it. Once you have successfully booted into Twrp recovery, the very first thing that you have to do is to make a backup of your current ROM, which is highly recommended, because in case you end it with a boot loop, then you can simply restore your ROM and no data will be lost. Now once the backup is done, go back and click on install and navigate the Xposed zip file that we downloaded earlier. Now select it and swipe this blue button to right in order to flash the zip file. Once flashing is done, reboot your device and wait till your device boots up. Once your device has rebooted, the modules changes will take place. Now head over to Xposed Installer app and open it. Here you can clearly see that Xposed status is now active, which means you have successfully installed the Xposed framework. The Android community has waited too long to get Xposed framework support for the Android devices. While Android O is just around the corner, it would still take a couple of months for manufacturers to push the updates for the supported devices. In the meantime, users can make use of Xposed feature on Android Nougat. While most modules might work directly, some of them need to be updated to work with the new Xposed framework. So guys, if you like this video and find it useful, then do consider subscribing to my channel for more future videos like this, and don't forget to click that bell icon to get notified and be the first to watch our videos. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.